ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം. വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. എല്ലാവരും റെഡിയാണോ? Today we are going to learn some words in Malayalam to help to learn the vowels. You know there are 15 Malayalam vowels. So let's get started. A, A, E, E, U, U, R, A, I, O, O, Au, A. We can check the words also. A, A sound as in where Amma, Amma is mother. Achan, Achan is father. Next, A, A sound as in apple. Ana, Ana, elephant. Aad, Aad is God. P, P sound as in Ila, Ila is leaf. Illa, Illa is no. Illa. E, E sound as in feed. E. In the param is dates. In the param. Echa. Echa. Fly. U. U sound as in put. U. Ulli. Ulli is onion. Urumba. Urumba is ant. U. U sound as in pool. ഊഞ്ഞാല്. ഊഞ്ഞാല് is swing. Una. Una is meal. R. R sound as in rich. R. R. Rishi. Rishi is age. Ridukal. Seasons. Ridukal. A. A sound as in buck. The words are Eli. Eli is rat. Eruma. Eruma is buffalo. A. A sound as in gate. Elam. Elam is cardamom. Eni is ladder. Eni. I. I sound as in fine. I. Aishwaryam. Prosperity. Aishwaryam. Aikyam. Aikyam is unity. O. O sound as in cot. Ottagam. 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 Camel. Ottagapakshi. Ostrich. Ottagapakshi. O as in cord. Ola. Ola. Coconut leaf. Ond. Ond is the chameleon. Ow. Ow as in cow. Auchityam. Auchityam is propriety. Aushadam. Aushadam medicine. Um. As in umbrella. Amsham. Amsham is segment. Ambujam. Ambujam lotus. And the last one. Ah. Ah. Okay. Thank you for tuning into my channel. See you next time. പിന്നെ കാണാം. ശരി. Bye.